Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into something super important for your Django projects model. We will cover what they are, how to create them, and how to make them work with your database. So let's get started. What is model in Django? Model in Django is like a blueprint for your database table. It tells Django what fields you want to store like title, author, or price. What type of data each field will hold like text, number, or date. Then think of it like designing a form where you define what information you will collect and store. So let's see where do we create the models in Django project. When you create a Django project, you also create apps inside it. For example, let's say you have an app called Books. So here what the folder structure look like. You can see here. Next, creating and defining a book model. Now let's create a model called book inside the books models.py file. Here is the code. Let me copy this one. I already pasted it here. Make sure the indentation should be properly structured. Control S. Now let's see each line step by step. First is from Django DB import models. This line imports Django building models module. It helps us create database table using Python code. Then we are creating the book class. This class, we are defining a class called book, which represent a table in the database. Then we have defining here fields. First is title. Models.char field of max length 100. Char field is used for storing text and max length 100 limits the title to 100 characters. Then author, which is same as the title, but for the author's name. Then price. The price is the decimal field for the prices. And here max digits equal to 6 means it can have up to 6 digits including decimal. Then decimal places equal to 2 means two digits will be after the decimal point. Then published date. A date field to store the published date of the book in the format of year, month, and date. Then here is the string representation. This is the special method returns the book's title when printed or viewed in the admin panel. So that's it for the code. Next, here is the explanation. You can read it from here. Then, next step, activating models or making migrations. So, after defining your model, you need to create the tables in the database. This involves two simple steps, which is make migrations and applying migrations. So, for this, open your terminal and type python manage.py, make migrations. Make migrations. You can see model book is created. This command creates a migration file, a plan that tells Django what changes to make in the database. Next, applying migration. For this, type a command python manage.py migrate. This command creates the actual table in your database behind the scenes. Okay. Now let's summarize what we have learned today. So models are the blueprints for the database tables. You can define them in your models.py file. After defining them, you make and apply migrations to save them to your database. And that's it. You have successfully created your first model for the Django. Thank you.